In this video, we will learn how we can add a photo slider on the home page of our WordPress website. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. Before we add a photo slider, you can see the live preview of our WordPress website homepage. Currently, we have applied default WordPress 2025 theme and it's showing blog and latest post on the homepage. You can always change the homepage of your WordPress website from settings. So before adding a photo slider, I will show you how you can change the homepage of your WordPress website. To change it, simply go to the settings. Under settings, click on reading mode. Under reading mode, you can change the home page to be a static page. If you don't have any static page, you can always create a new static page, then choose it here, or you can keep it as blog and latest post. So this is how you can do it. Now you know it. So currently, as you can see, we have applied 2025 theme and we have also downloaded GeneratePress theme. Both themes are different. Now it's time to add a photo slider. To add a slider, click on plugins, then click on add plugin. Now search for Smart Slider 3. Install it and activate it. Once installation is completed, you will find the Smart Slider 3 option on the left sidebar. Click on it. This dashboard will open up. Go to Dashboard. Next, here you will find the following options. Click on New Project. Now, again, you can create a new project from scratch or start with a template. We will go with Start with a template. Here you will find bunch of templates which are free and paid as well. We will choose the following template by clicking Import. The slider was imported successfully. Now it's time to add it on the home page of our website. To add it, click on Edit Site. It will open the full editor. Now on this page, hover and you will see the following plus icon. Click on it. Search for Smart Slider 3 and choose it. Now click Select Slider. Here you can choose the gradient slider which we had imported. Now click Insert. The photo slider was successfully inserted. You can change the location and then save it. Now let's go to the home page and see the preview. Our slider was successfully added on the home page of our website and is working. It's time to customize it. Now to customize it, go back on the dashboard, then click Edit. Here you can fully customize your slider. You can adjust the heading. You can also adjust the text and buttons and colors as well. Once you are done, simply click Save. Now go back. Let's refresh. And this is how you can update the smart slider. We didn't change the image or text. You can do it if you like to and customize it for yourself. So this is how you can add a photo slider in WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.